Do you remember a very long time ago now, this Oreck XL Classic? Well, I pulled it out of the back of the shed whilst we had the other two Orecks on the go and gave it a refurb, and yeah, it's here to tell the tale. It's certainly come up okay, but all that storage didn't do it much good in certain places. Let me explain. Let's have a look at how it came out and let's see how it works now. Yes, hello, my vacuum cleaner chums. How are you today? Yes, this tall boy is done, and yeah, it's always been a very attractive looking vacuum cleaner. It is even more so now. The helping hand handle is all done. There's no longer any crusty bits of cheese all in the bits of plastic there. It's all very nice indeed. We shall remove the flex, which is on there like so, which had gone incredibly mouldy in the shed, but has come up very nicely indeed now, and that means that we can stop looking up so high and come down to the bag. Now this is where most of the problems start. In a slightly ironic twist, the hypoallergenic bag went mouldy, which was a massive pain in the bum, and it didn't wash off particularly easily either. I had to soak it for ages. Problem is, it's got this sort of outer skin on it that makes the bag match the rest of the machine, and yeah, that was the bit that had got all the mould, and it eventually came out. Problem is, this writing got so wet that when I put it back in the machine for the second time, I shouldn't let it dry because all the writing sort of rubbed off. It's a little bit of a shame because it does make this machine look pretty terrible now. Inside we have, I mean, it's spotlessly clean. You know, this is only going to be a cheap get rid of it for sale type of job, but it is clean and tidy nonetheless. What we should probably do is fit a bag into there, and of course, thanks to the other Orecks, we have some spare bags. This is why I bought quite a lot then, and yeah, we'll fit this bag here, or tuck it in there. Probably isn't the official way of doing it. It'll do. You clip that down into there, and then you push this back into it. It's supposed to click. I don't find it does. It sort of just stays there really and does an alright job. Oh, you're going to click. And then the whole thing's come off. Yeah, it didn't click. These are a bit of a faff. Am I doing this right, folks? Put that over there. Then you pop your bag in, and yeah, it's supposed to click into the back of that, and it's not. There you go. That was a click. I think we'll have to see if it opens up when we give it a demo in a second. And of course, the second pack of bag, the second bag, sits in the little kangaroo pouch at the back, like so. Talking of the back, it's very nice as well. We didn't have any cement or chemical metal holding this one together, so it all came up rather jolly indeed. Let's have a look under here, which came up very nicely indeed. There's no bulbs on this one, nothing fancy, just a load of dust actually, whoops, just plain but very nice green Oreck. Yeah, underneath looks fine. The brush roll was good enough, didn't bother changing that. The belt is alright too, however, a little bit of a pain in that it's supposed to have a second belt, and I'd rather like to sell it as, you know, complete and with all of its things. So I bought a pack of Oreck belts, not genuine, they're quite difficult to find in the UK, and stretch it into place. We can fit it there, and I can list this machine as coming with two belts, and I can just take this back over and put this back into my belt storage device, i.e. a massive box. Yeah, excellent. I think it's time to turn it on and show you how it works. works very well indeed. Big question is, did the bag stay on? Yes, it did. Marvellous. We shall call that done then. And yeah, a machine that has taken many, many years for me to get up and actually do is now done, working very well once more, and yeah, is no longer in the shed of broken dreams. So thank you very much for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed. Tell me what your opinion and thoughts of Oreck are. Do you like them or do you hate them? Tell me down below. I quite like them really, although I've not used one for an extended amount of time, but yeah, when I have used them, they've been rather jolly indeed. Thank you very much for watching, and I, and some other poor in need of some love Oreck, I'm sure we'll see you soon. Bye bye.